Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and here we are in sunny Gothenburg. Lovely,
yeah.
Huh?
Nice weather for some cab weather.
Yeah. All right then, mate. So what have we got today then?
Right, we got this fantastic 1956 Ford Thunderbird.
Okay.
Classic 50 style, absolutely classic. Cabriolet, hard top. You've got the best of both worlds, everything. Just perfect. Nice colour, like a salmon colour, you could say. I don't know exact colour code, but just have a look around the back here. Look, this is 50 style for you. You got the boot, the wheel on the back.
Nice.
And if you lift this lever down on the side here,
oh, you look at that.
that tilts forward.
That's proper transformer stuff going on there.
Ah, exactly. I mean, he thought about everything. And then you got the soft opening boot. Let's open it like this. Look at that.
Look at that. Loads of space for a convertible.
Yep. And there's your fuel tank. Open that.
Okay, fill him up.
Yep.
Nice.
So they thought of everything.
All right. So where does this one come from, though?
This one was from the States, but I think it's only had like 2 owners.
Okay.
So it's a nice kept car, and I lift this lever down and push it forward. So
Bob's your uncle. All
yeah.
right, so how long has this one been in the country for then?
I think it was imported perhaps like 20 years ago.
All right.
And yeah, it's been repainted like any car from the 50s.
Yeah.
It's had some re-chroming, but I mean, it's got an all original feel to it. And if you have a look on the engine, of course.
All right. Let's get around there then.
I'm inviting you to the V8.
There we go. Lovely.
There we are. V8 classic Americana. Manual injection.
Thunderbird Ford.
Yeah. I mean, this is the car it was in many of the Ford cars in the 50s and 60s, and it's so easy to work with. So open, parts are still available. You can buy every single thing for this car. So owning one of these cars isn't like a thing to worry about, because you can find all the parts, and it's very easy to work with.
Is it because it's Ford, or?
Yeah, it's because it's Ford, and they sold a lot.
Right.
And there's still a massive following in the States, so you know, people still buying them.
Right, so if we're taking a look inside this baby,
Yep, so you got, it's basically a two-seater, but it's a bench seat, so you can get 3 people in.
Right.
It's 1950s, you don't need seat belts. Who needs seat belts?
not in the 1950s, mate.
You've got a big nose if it crashes. And then behind here you would lift up this, and then you fold out the roof, and the roof folds over like this and clicks in.
Lovely.
The same as you would click the hard top as well. It's no quick thing if it's raining.
Right. You're going to get a little bit wet.
Yeah, but it's like, you know, that's the style.
Right.
And if you have a look inside, you got this great old style interior.
Right.
This is an automatic. Here's the old radio, and if you have a look at this, got the camera down here, you've got 2 stations. You've got town or country.
Is that it?
Yeah, so you can listen to your diddly diddly diddly, also a bit of Bit of Elvis.
All right, where's the hip hop button then?
No hip hop button on this. And you got your heater controls,
Yeah.
clock, wipers, lights,
Lovely.
rev counter. That's all you need.
Automatic box as well.
Yeah, automatic box, retrofitted stereo, which you're not so keen on, but
Right.
it's practical. You need something like
Yeah,
that.
you need it, do you?
Yeah. Obviously, you got
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
the V8 symbols.
The all important
the
V8 symbols.
Thunderbird.
Right.
So this is a fantastic car for cruising in the summer.
It's in absolute great nick as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in
Ready to go.
It's in nice condition.
It looks like whoever owned this car before has done a lot of work on it and kept it in
Yeah.
pristine condition.
Considering the car is 56, so what's that in years?
That's in dog years, or that's
do-
about 70 years, isn't it? Or 65 years,
60,
maybe?
65, 64 years?
It's enough, isn't it?
65 years.
That's enough.
So I mean, she's a good-looking pensioner.
All right, so what's happening with this thing then?
This car is actually on the auction as we speak now, so this car will probably be sold by the time we get the video.
Right, so when you see this video, it will already been sold, unfortunately.
Well, we can say you can guess the price.
Yeah, that's it. We'll have a competition.
Have a competition.
How much do you think this car sold for? Because let's be real, it's definitely going to be sold, isn't it?
It's definitely going to be sold, probably. Yes. Yes.
And it ain't going to be cheap, all right?
It ain't going to be 100,000, and it isn't going to be 1 million. So I give you there somewhere between 100,000 and 1 million.
Right, so we're talking Swedish crowns here, all right? So we're not talking dollars or pounds. So
You can talk dollars and pounds, but
Yeah.
if you talk Swedish crowns or euros, have a guess.
Yeah. Right, so this one, like I said, up for sale. Billweb auction was the place.
Yeah, Beerswell Auctions is selling the car. It goes out on the weekend, Easter weekend,
Right.
on the auction.
Right.
So you can check it out and see who's the best at valuing cars.
Right, so there you go.
Put a comment.
Another classic V8 on the show, this time in the form of a Ford Thunderbird in immaculate condition and up for grabs. So I hope you really enjoyed this show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.